welcome back to our channel. This is Rhonda. I apologize if that noise bothers you. I've had to turn the fan on because it is just so hot in here. Y'all probably remember me mentioning that my air conditioner keeps freezing up, and I apologize. My hair keeps blowing in my face and tickling my face, but I figure the noise is better than you having to see me try to put makeup on with sweat in my face. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I thank you all so much for watching, and this is going to be a quick video. I am doing my makeup, so as usual I try to find something I've never used before to give you all a first impression. And I got this Laura Lee Los Angeles in the color Nakey Nakey. It was in the BoxyCharm charm room, and I just got here about a week ago, and I'm just now opening its pretty packaging. I do think that color is definitely not my color. I apologize too. I've got makeup swatches on me and makeup on my fingers, and my hands are clean. I just got makeup on them. And so this is the Laura Lee liquid lipstick. I don't think this is really my color. It looks like one of those colors that would, see, I've got swatches, would really wash my skin out. It's not a bad color, and it really does look very opaque, like a real lipstick, not just a gloss. Let's see what color of, I've got some liners here to try to see if I can figure out the best liner. I'm going to try this Morphe in Love Bite. I'm trying to do it in a hurry and messing it up because I hate leaving y'all just hanging there. But I did want to share with you what I thought about this brand. I didn't even know she had lipstick. Okay, I think that is the closest color I have to this lipstick. So let's see, so I can actually put it on and give you my first impression on the texture. And it's nice and creamy. It's not sticky. Let's see. It does feel like it's drying fast. Definitely not my color. What do you think? Yes, it is drying really fast. It's not a bad color. It's just not, I just think it doesn't go with my skin tone. And I don't know, maybe I chose brighter blush and things today than I usually do. It would probably be okay if I put some type of gloss over it, which I will probably do before I do the next video. Let's see. It's pretty dry. Okay, it is pretty good. That quick. You see that quick? And that tiny bit came off. Let's try. Yeah, nothing came off that time, so it might be a good formula. I just don't think that is my color. It does have pretty packaging. Of course, I will put it on my shelf of things because I've wore it now. Can't give it away, but that's part of giving first reviews, is trying things that I end up not liking and keeping. But who knows, I might find somebody who would want that it would be their color, that it's me and the family who wouldn't mind using it after me. So there's that. I will put some kind of gloss over it, and I'm fixing to do my eye look. That's why I don't have any eyeshadow on. I got my eye palette here to do, and then I have a couple unboxings to do. So there is, it is definitely matte once it dries. So there's that. And I wanted to tell y'all, when I see if y'all have any ideas. You know, I've mentioned to y'all before that I have really bad migraines, 2 or 3, sometimes 4 days a week, and then the rest of the week I have these nagging headaches, and it's been like 2 or 3 years since I have went a day without some type of headache, and I did not even realize it until I watched my own videos that I pull my eyebrows down like that. And I mean, they're not really like that. It's in response to the fact that I've always got a headache, and I'm really worried it's gonna, I mean, that's my real eyebrows. I just do that in response, I think, to the light, because, you know, if you have a headache, the light bothers your eyes. So I was actually thinking about getting some of that, like tape to tape my eyebrows, tape my forehead, to force me not to pull my eyebrows down. I was watching a video the other day of someone who was talking about our facial expressions and different things we do cause a permanent look in our features, and how it's important to watch the things that we do so that we don't have like wrinkles that we otherwise wouldn't have. So I was thinking, wow, and I do that, so I'm gonna have like really hooded eyes, and which I do have hooded eyes, but really bad when I do like that in response to the light. So I was thinking about, wonder if there's some kind of tape I could tape my eyebrows up to force myself not to do that, and see if that helps me keep my eyes up the way they need to, because I pull them down like that without even thinking. I look in the viewfinder on the camera and I realize I'm doing it again. So I was just wondering, and then I know they do some kind of a Botox in the forehead, I guess, to relieve those muscles so you're not pulling your eyebrows down. I was thinking about looking into that too, but I don't know how expensive that is, or if any kind of insurance covers that. I think some types of insurance do, but I don't know how that works. But I have tried, like, I think 3 different types of migraine medicine, and so far nothing really works. The Imitrex is one that he's tried me on. It says take every 2 hours when a headache's coming on, and it works, and sometimes it doesn't work. It's just that it makes me really sick before it works. When I take it within an hour, it makes me so sick, to where there's times I just felt like I was dying. It made me so sick. But sometimes it does relieve the headaches, to where sometimes the headaches are so bad I give in and take it, and willing to deal with the side effects. Anyway, I apologize. I got off track, so I just wanted to ask y'all on the quick video if y'all know if there's any kind of tape to just experiment and that's strong enough to actually hold and the eyebrows up to keep me from pulling them down, and some kind that like is as invisible as possible. I'm actually thinking about cutting bangs. I mentioned that in another video because I mean my hair is just so long it don't really do much, but I did buy a little piece that I'm gonna try and see, cut it in like an extension kind of thing that just clips here on your head, just to see how I think I look in bangs before I actually cut my hair, because I would really hate to cut my hair and really hate it, and because I mean my front of my hair is fairly long. It's not quite as long as the back, but it's fairly long, and it'd take a long time to grow back out as if I cut it way up here. But I am thinking about making just not full thick bangs all the way across, just just a few little just a few little pieces here and there like that, just to give myself a different look, not full thick bangs like a kid, because I just think that would look really crazy on me. Plus it would take a lot of hair to take all that hair, and I don't want to take all that hair. I just want just a few wispy pieces in the front. What do y'all think? So thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to be right back with my video on doing my eyes and what I'm using. I know doing swatches gives you some kind of idea, but y'all know I like to actually do the full makeup look and put it on so that you can see what it actually looks like going on, because putting it on your eyes and swatching is often very, very different. I have found that out, so I like to actually do it and let y'all see what it actually looks like going on. So thank you very much, and I will be right back. I love you guys. Bye bye.